Not tonight.
Caden's first Halloween pumpkin. You. So Amy's doing a good job getting it all icky cleaned out. And Caden's having fun playing in the pumpkin. Ha. Okay, you drooling because it's nummy? Hi, boogers. Say num 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 num. Okay, but we'll take the knife away from you.
Yeah.
No knife for you. Yeah. Huh? Say slimy eels. So he's a little faucet, aren't you? Oh, you're a little